Okay, so let's quickly see a very interesting function that is called related. So related function is used when you want to take a column from one data to another. Now it exactly works like VLOOKUP. Let me quickly show you how it actually works. So related only works, just remember this, related only works if you have a valid relationship between two data. So let's say you want to take the continent in this AW sales data. So I already have the continent, but I will show you how to take that. So if you want to take this continent in this data, it should have a valid relationship between them. So let me delete this one first. So we have a valid relationship. So what we can do, we can take this continent, country or region, whatever. Let's take the region one. I want to take the region one in this data using a related function. So related exactly works like VLOOKUP. So if you have used VLOOKUP in Excel, that's very good. It exactly works like that. Only one condition is there, that it should have a relationship between two tables. So now let me quickly go to the AW sales data and I will create new column. And I want the region. So I will write region and I will use the function called related. After related, which column I want? I want from the territories data. So I will write territories lookup. I want the region. So it is asking for the column name. I have given the column name. I will close the bracket. I will hit enter. So if I hit enter, you see now the region column is there. Then now similarly, if you want to take the other columns such as continent or country, you can do that. And that's exactly is your homework. Do that, take the continent and the country column in this data, and we will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.